I can't really express how happy I am to be back with you guys after such a long absence. Since moving into the home, we started to work on creating quite a nice little garden, and of course that takes quite a bit of time. We trucked in some fertile dirt from different parts of the country and are pretty amazed with the amount of vegetable and fruit that we're able to produce on such a small garden. But like with anything, between preparing and blanching and storing and growing and of course maintenance, it does take a lot of time. Actually, our first harvest of tomatoes was over 65 pounds and can't even count as many green peppers and ahi, which is a sweet green pepper, that we have. It's just amazing. What a fertile country. And then there was also the project with Papa Yota. Since Yota got drowned in the river about 2.5 years ago, and that was converting everything from a right-hand drive to what is legal here, normal left-hand drive. I remember going through the wiring harnesses and all the soldering and shrink tubing. There was over 185 connections to transform everything from the power mirrors to the power windows and everything of that nature. But lo and behold, everything's working. On initial startup, there was only one wire that I had to change. I just got done with a great 800-kilometer trip, which we're going to start our series of traveling around the countries again. So hang on, buckle up, and stay tuned. We're back.